Branton, and I'm a meteorologist at the Mount Washington Observatory. I'm coming to you live from the summit of Mount Washington to talk about this weekend's higher summits forecast, more specifically, the snowstorm that we're going to experience tonight. Before we get into that, though, let's talk about the current conditions that we're experiencing right now on the summit of Mount Washington. So behind me, you're looking at our current summit conditions page, and you can find us on our website if you're ever curious about what the weather's like on Mount Washington. Right now, our wind speeds are about 50 miles per hour, so they've come down quite a bit since yesterday. If we look at our 24-hour data, the peak gust over the past 24 hours is 111 miles per hour, although I know yesterday morning we did reach about 114 miles per hour. Our temperature right now is about -1 degree, so that combined with our wind speeds gives us a wind chill of about -32 degrees Fahrenheit. So that does put us in a wind chill advisory range there. So now if we look at our vertical temperature profile, we can see that down at the lower elevation, it's about 18 degrees, and up here on the summit, it's about -1 degree. And we can see that our visibility is less than 1/16 of a mile. We are experiencing some freezing fog and some blowing snow out there. So I'll just go ahead and show you what that looks like on our deck cam. You can see not much to see out there. Some snow on the ground, we're in the fog. And I'm actually gonna switch to our Wildcat camera so you can see that it looks like it might be a pretty nice day for most areas in New England. However, here on the summit of Mount Washington, you can see that we are still socked into this cloud here. So definitely important to keep in mind if you're planning on visiting the White Mountains today that we are still in the fog and the clouds up here, whereas there's maybe some sunshine and some blue skies elsewhere here in the area. So now let's take a look at what kind of weather is going to be at play for us here from now and through the rest of the weekend. Now we're looking at a surface analysis map behind me here, and this is really good for kind of visualizing what large-scale weather patterns we're going to be experiencing. So we have this high pressure sitting over us right here, right now. High pressure centered over New England. That's giving us that good weather we're experiencing in most places across the region. However, we did see Mount Washington still in the fog, but high pressure giving good weather conditions for most areas. Now, the next thing that's going to be at play here is this low pressure system here taking shape in the southeastern United States. That low is going to move this way towards New England, actually taking more of a southerly route, and that's going to bring us some snow tonight and into tomorrow. So it doesn't look that well developed, that well organized yet, but rest assured it is going to come at us tonight and bring us some good snowfall here in the region. So now let's take a look at our 48-hour future radar. We can see kind of what kind of snow is coming at us. We see that tonight, a big swath of precipitation coming across the region and lingering through Sunday morning, and then snow showers maybe lingering for some localized areas in the higher summits through Sunday. So definitely the biggest impact that we're going to see here is this wide swath of snow, heavy snow tonight and tomorrow morning. All right, so now let's take a look at our 48-hour higher summits forecast. We are in a wind chill advisory currently right now. That will kind of go out of effect. It will expire soon here today, but it is going to go back into effect tonight. So for our forecast today, Saturday, mostly in the clouds with a chance of snow showers, mainly early. Possible snow accumulations of a trace to 1 inch. Temperatures rising through the day to around 0 degrees. And winds northwest shifting west to 60 to 80 miles per hour, but those have since decreased to about 30 to 45 miles per hour for the remainder of the day. And wind chill is going to be rising to 20 below to 30 below. Taking a look at Saturday night, we're going to be in the clouds with snow likely. This is when the heaviest snow is going to fall. Possibly falling heavy at times. Possible snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches here at the higher elevations tonight. Temperatures in the lower single digits above 0, and winds west shifting southwest at 25 to 40 miles per hour, decreasing to 15 to 30 miles per hour. So This is going to be a rare thing for Mount Washington. Our winds are going to be actually quite low while we're getting some heavy snow. So hopefully we're able to hold on to some of that snow here on the summit, maybe cover up some of that ice that makes up most of our ground conditions right now. And our wind chill is going to be rising to 15 below to 25 below. Now taking a look at Sunday, we're going to be in the clouds with snow likely, becoming a chance of snow showers later in the day, and more snow accumulations of 1 to 3 inches are expected. Temperatures in the mid-single digits, and winds southwest shifting northwest at 15 to 30 miles per hour, then increasing to 30 to 45 miles per hour. Wind chill 15 below to 25 below. And now looking at Sunday night, we're going to be in the clouds with a slight chance of snow showers, then turning towards in and out of the clouds under partly cloudy skies. More snow accumulations of a trace to 1 inch expected. Temperatures falling through the night to around 5 degrees below zero, and winds northwest at 30 to 45 miles per hour, increasing to 45 to 60 miles per hour. Wind chill falling to 35 below to 45 below. All right, and that is everything that I had for you for our Higher Summits forecast. For a full forecast discussion and details, you can visit mountwashington.org/forecast. And with that, I hope everyone stays safe, enjoys the new snow, and we will see you next Friday for our weekend Higher Summits forecast.